Unveiling the Unexpected. Understanding dramatic revelation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly intriguing phrase, dramatic revelation. Stick around as we unravel the layers of this expression, making it accessible for English language learners. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations and writings. Let's start by dissecting dramatic revelation. This phrase combines two powerful words, each with its own depth. Dramatic refers to something filled with action or emotion, often in a way that is unexpected or intense. Think of a scene in a movie that leaves you on the edge of your seat. That's dramatic. On the other hand, revelation involves the act of revealing or disclosing something that was previously hidden or unknown. When you discover a secret or learn something surprising, that's a revelation. When combined, dramatic revelation describes a situation where an important or shocking piece of information is unveiled in a striking, often emotional manner. It's the kind of moment that can change perceptions, evoke strong reactions, and even alter the course of events. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literature and movies to real-life scenarios where a significant truth comes to light in a powerful way. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. In a novel, a dramatic revelation might occur when a character discovers they're related to their arch-enemy, reshaping the story's dynamics. In a documentary, a dramatic revelation could be the uncovering of a long-hidden historical truth that challenges our understanding of the past. In personal life, learning about a family secret or a friend's true feelings can also be a dramatic revelation, altering relationships and personal perspectives. Incorporating dramatic revelation into your language. 1. Descriptive writing. Use it to add suspense or emotional depth to stories and essays. 2. Conversations. When discussing movies, books, or even personal experiences, refer to impactful discoveries as dramatic revelations to emphasize their significance. 3. Analytical thinking. Apply the concept to analyze plots in literature or film, recognizing the moments that serve as turning points. Dramatic revelation is a phrase rich with emotion and impact, perfect for describing moments of profound discovery and change. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage, enriching your English language journey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.